And out comes the man they've been waiting for. The huge roar from the crowd greets Virat Kohli on his return to the Delhi lineup after 12 years at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. Familiar walk and then very purposeful walk as well. Striding with great purpose and confidence as always. Confidence is something synonymous with Virat Kohli. And he'll be up against the left-arm seamer Rahul Sharma, who has provided a breakthrough for always. All the cameras are in action in the stands. The crowd clicking pictures of the hero. And Virat Kohli has got 11,479 runs in first-class cricket. Best of 254 not out. The crowd controller is what the banner says. Taking his time, calming himself.